To activate your Credit Karma Money Spend account and its associated debit card, follow these steps. Receive your debit card. After opening your Credit Karma Money Spend account, you will receive your debit card by mail at the address you provided during the account setup process. Check for activation instructions. Along with your debit card, you should receive instructions on how to activate it. This may involve visiting a website, calling a toll-free number, or using a mobile app. Follow activation instructions. Depending on the activation method provided, follow the instructions carefully. You may need to enter your card number, expiration date, and security code, as well as verify your identity. Verify your identity. For security purposes, you may be required to verify your identity during the activation process. This could involve providing personal information, such as your name, address, date of birth, and social security number. Confirm activation. Once you've completed the activation steps and verified your identity, you should receive confirmation that your Credit Karma debit card is activated and ready to use. Set up PIN. If your debit card requires a PIN, you may need to set it up during the activation process or shortly afterward. Follow the instructions provided to select or create a PIN for your card.